Let's get into it. Imagine a world where your digital self can answer questions, tell your stories, and even interact with others without you having to be there in person. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is no longer just a fantasy reserved for blockbuster movies or far-off science fiction. You've seen it in movies, the idea of a digital copy of yourself. Characters upload their minds, create virtual assistants that sound just like them, or even have conversations with their own AI twins. It's a concept that's fascinated storytellers and audiences for decades, but it's not just sci-fi anymore. Today, technology has caught up with imagination. AI is everywhere, from the apps on your phone to the smart devices in your home, and now it's possible to use these tools to create a digital version of yourself. Building your own AI clone is now possible and more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a computer genius or have a huge budget. With the right guidance and a bit of creativity, anyone can start this journey. We're talking about using your voice, your style, even your face to create a digital version of you. Imagine an AI that can mimic your tone, remember your favorite jokes, or even respond to messages just like you would. This isn't about sentient robots or replacing who you are, it's about building a digital puppet, a virtual extension of yourself that you control and shape. It's a blend of technology and personality where you decide what your AI clone can do. In this chapter, we'll break down what an AI clone really is, why you might want one, and how to start building it with tools you already have at your fingertips. Whether you're curious about the tech, want to automate tasks, or just want to experiment, there's something here for everyone. The process is creative, technical, and surprisingly fun. You'll get to play with new software, experiment with your own voice and image, and maybe even collaborate with friends or family to see what your digital self can do. As you build your clone, you'll discover what makes you unique, your voice, your stories, your quirks. It's a chance to reflect on your personality and see how technology can capture the essence of who you are. We'll guide you step by step, from recording your voice and gathering your stories to training a chatbot that can answer questions in your style. You'll learn how to use simple tools to bring your AI clone to life, and how to keep improving it as you go. By the end, you'll know how to create a basic AI version of yourself and have some fun with it. So, are you ready to explore the future and see what your digital self can do? Let's begin. Let's break it down with a quick explainer, because the idea of an AI clone can sound like something straight out of science fiction. But what does it actually mean in the real world? An AI clone is essentially a digital version of you, created and powered by artificial intelligence. Think of it as a virtual twin that can interact, communicate, and even perform tasks on your behalf. But don't be fooled, it's not alive. And it doesn't have feelings or consciousness. Instead, it's a sophisticated program trained on your personal data to mimic your voice, your writing style, and even your facial expressions and gestures. For example, if you feed it recordings of your voice, the AI learns the unique pitch, rhythm, and tone that make your speech recognizable. It can even pick up on your accent or the way you laugh. Give it access to your texts, emails, or social media posts, and it starts to understand your vocabulary, your sense of humor, and the way you phrase things, right down to your favorite emojis or catchphrases. The magic behind all this is pattern recognition, on a deeply personal level. The AI looks for the subtle details that make you, and learns to replicate them. For instance, if you train a chatbot on your past conversations, it can answer questions, hold discussions, and even joke around in a way that sounds just like you. Add a voice model into the mix, and suddenly those answers aren't just written in your style, they're spoken in your voice, complete with your inflections and quirks. But let's be clear. An AI clone isn't your consciousness, your memories, or your inner thoughts. It's not a digital soul. Instead, it's a powerful imitation machine, an advanced tool that can convincingly act as your stand-in. It combines multiple models, voice, text, and sometimes even video, all trained on your data, working together to create a seamless digital persona. These models collaborate to form a digital proxy that can represent you in online meetings, answer messages, or even create content in your style. In short, it's a tool, highly advanced, deeply personalized, and ready to perform tasks, communicate, or even entertain, all while sounding and acting like you. And that's where things get really interesting, because the possibilities for what your AI clone can do are just beginning to unfold. The cool factor. Let's be honest, there's something undeniably exciting about seeing a digital version of yourself come to life. It's like stepping into the future where your personality, voice, and even your quirks can be captured and shared in ways we never imagined possible just a few years ago. Why build an AI clone? For starters, it's a chance to experiment with some of the most advanced technology available today. You're not just using AI, you're shaping it, customizing it, and making it reflect who you are. First, because it's just plain cool. Imagine showing your friends an AI that talks, thinks, and even jokes like you do. It's a conversation starter, a party trick, and a glimpse into the future all rolled into one. It's a hands-on way to explore cutting-edge tech and see yourself in a new light. You get to experiment with your digital identity, tweak your AI's responses, and discover new aspects of your personality you might not have noticed before. You get to be creator, engineer, and user all at once. Building an AI clone means you're in the driver's seat, deciding how your digital self interacts with the world. It's a unique blend of creativity and technical skill. Beyond the novelty, there are real benefits. AI clones can help you manage your time, extend your reach, and even preserve your legacy. They're not just toys, they're tools for productivity and connection. Imagine preserving your stories and voice for future generations, an interactive family archive. Your loved ones could interact with your AI clone, hearing your stories and advice long after you're gone, keeping your memory alive in a truly interactive way. Or, as a creator or business owner, use your AI clone to handle routine communications in your authentic style. Your digital double can answer emails, respond to customer questions, or even deliver presentations, all while sounding just like you. Free up your time while your digital double answers FAQs or narrates blog posts. Let your AI handle the repetitive stuff so you can focus on what matters most, whether that's growing your business, creating new content, or just enjoying some downtime. It's like having a personal assistant trained to be you. Your AI clone can schedule meetings, send reminders, and even keep your social media active, all in your unique voice and style. The creative possibilities are endless. Make your AI self a game character, a newsreader, or even a bedtime storyteller. You can use your clone in virtual worlds, interactive media, or as a digital companion for friends and family. You can generate funny content, experiment, and connect in new ways. Try out new voices, create hilarious skits, or collaborate with others to make something truly unique. Building an AI clone is a new form of self-expression. It's like painting a self-portrait, but with technology as your canvas. You decide how you want to be seen, heard, and remembered. It's a playground for your imagination. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative soul, or just curious, making an AI clone lets you push boundaries and dream up new possibilities. And it's just getting started. The world of AI clones is evolving fast, and the only limit is your imagination. So why not dive in and see what your digital self can do? Okay, let's get into the build. The first step, give your AI clone a voice. Your voice is unique, and voice cloning makes your digital self feel real. Start by recording yourself. Use the best mic you have in a quiet room. Clean, high-quality audio is key. Most tools provide scripts to read, capturing all the sounds and inflections in your speech. Record a variety of sentences naturally for at least 30 minutes. Upload your recordings to a voice cloning platform. The AI analyzes your pitch, cadence, and quirks to create a custom text-to-speech model. Training can take minutes or hours, but the result is worth it. Type any text, and your AI clone will say it in your voice. The first time you hear it speak words you never recorded, it's mind-blowing. This is the foundation of your digital self. Next, let's teach it to think like you. Ready? Now your clone needs a brain. This means training a chatbot to communicate in your style. Gather your writing, emails, texts, social posts, journal entries. The more varied and natural, the better. Use a platform that personalizes chatbots. Upload your text or connect your accounts. The AI learns your slang, sentence structure, humor, and favorite topics. It builds a model of your linguistic personality. After training, test your chatbot. Have conversations, ask questions, see how it responds. It might not be perfect at first, but you can refine it by giving feedback. With each tweak, it becomes more like you. This is what transforms a generic AI into your AI. Soon, your digital self will sound and think like you. Let's give it a face. Now let's give your AI clone a face. A digital avatar makes your clone feel personal and real. Start simple. Use a clear, high-quality headshot. Face forward, good lighting, no obstructions. Upload your photo to an AI avatar tool. Provide the audio you want it to speak, ideally your custom voice clone. The AI syncs mouth movements and adds subtle animations for realism. The result? A video of your photo speaking your words in your voice. Combine this with your chatbot and voice clone for a complete experience. Someone types a question, your chatbot answers in your style, your voice clone speaks it, and your avatar delivers the message. This multi-layered approach is what makes an AI clone so compelling. It's the convergence of voice, text, and visuals. Now let's talk tools. Ready to build? Here are the tools. For voice cloning, try ElevenLabs. Realistic voices, easy to use, and a free tier. For chatbot brains, check out Character AI or InWorld AI. Great for building a persona based on yourself. For a data-driven chatbot, use Custom GPT or Dante AI. Upload your text to train it on your style. For avatars, DID and HeyGen animate your photo and sync it with your voice. Most have free trials, so experiment and see what works for you. Start small. Pick one tool from each category and play around. Use free tiers to get a feel for the process. Clone your voice, animate a photo, and bring them together. As you get comfortable, explore more advanced features. The best way to learn is to jump in and start creating. Now here's the fun part. Once you've built your AI clone, the possibilities are endless. Use it as a creative outlet. Make a daily news briefing in your own voice or have it summarize emails. For creators, use your AI avatar to greet website visitors or fix podcast audio without re-recording. Send personalized audio messages to followers or customers. In education, create an AI tutor for your kids or rehearse presentations with your clone. Make dynamic birthday greetings or entertaining content. Have your AI self recite movie lines or sing. Create a character for games or storytelling. The point is to experiment and have fun. Your AI clone is a digital puppet for creativity, productivity, and play. The more you use it, the more ideas you'll discover. Let's talk about staying safe. With great tech comes great responsibility. Be transparent. Let people know when they're interacting with your AI clone. Use reputable platforms and check their privacy policies. Protect your data. Voice, face, and writing are personal. Use strong passwords and secure your accounts. Remember, this tech can be misused. Don't impersonate others or create deceptive content. Set a positive example as an early adopter. Creating an AI clone should be empowering and fun. Be mindful, transparent, and secure. Enjoy the benefits while minimizing risks. Now go experiment, create, and have fun. Just do it smartly.